Hi friends, I just thought that I would pop in on the Planty Chores video and show you a Temu haul, because on this channel I'm a Temu affiliate. I haven't yet signed up for it on the craft room, which would be the better place to have it. But I'm going to link my code up in the top right hand corner, and it was requested that I do a video with a tutorial on how to use the Temu site. That is coming. Hold tight, please. But I wanted to show you what I got in from Temu. Also, I don't know if I showed you this. Did I show you the pin cushion that I got at the Dollar Tree? P-E-N. Hello? P-E-N. We're not sure how to spell that. But how much? 1 cent? Oh my. So if you need a pin cushion, check your Dollar Tree. They're selling them for a penny. Anyway, I was going to make one and do all this other nonsense. Well, no, I'm just going to cut off this part and like glue it down into something that it'll fit in. Of course, something shorter, and have it on my desk. I looked at all the jars and things there, and then I said, surely, Leslie, you have something at home that you can use, so you need to stop. Anyway, yeah, and then the pens themselves were $1.12 at Walmart. Isn't that fantastic? I need to scan these 2 receipts into my Fetch app. I'm going to put my QR code up here. You can scan that with your telephone and it will help you to download the app. Down below in this area, I'm going to put my code in case you want to do it manually. Just download the Fetch app, type in this code as your referral code. You will automatically receive 2,000 points when you scan your first receipt. And it's just a great way. I just received my $50 gift card that I got from my points from Fetch. And so now I've got to get on Amazon and figure out, okay, how do I want to spend my $50? Yeah. All right, so I'm going to scan these 2 receipts real quick and show you how it goes. So this is the Fetch app. This is what it looks like. Hold on. Right there. The little purple with the doggy. Okay. Open it up. Walmart needs my attention. Alright, so we're going to hit this orange camera. We're going to scan the receipt that Walmart's telling me needs attention. You just move that bubble right up. And now that I have scanned 6 receipts, I'm going to claim my 25 points. I got to connect my Walmart account. No thanks. Sometimes they make you jump through a few hoops. Now I get a free spin because I have scanned 6 receipts and I'm going to get extra points. I am not in any way, I am not in any way affiliated with or sponsored by Fetch. This is just an app that I really like. It's just another way to earn free money for the money that you're spending, right? We like free money. All right, so now I'm going to scan my 1 cent Dollar Tree. And that's another 25 cents, or 25. All right, so now, these are the 3 things that I got from Temu. trying to figure out how to best organize all of my little things. So I have this Dollar Tree case with the 9 round things, containers, not things. And in here I got 50 silver and 50 gold spacer beads. I think they're called, like, I don't know. I'll link it in the description below. Don't worry. And let's get my little cubby out here. So they're just like these. Let me get my... They're going to be a little bit large for the pokey tool, but I just want to show you what they look like. Okay, so they're just cute little spacer beads. So I'll be separating the gold from the silver and putting the gold in one and the silver in one because we're neurotic like that. Okay, but I just thought, you know, I want to make sure that I have places for everything that I can see. Yeah. Because if I don't see it, I forget I have it. There's so many things that I could have used, can be using, don't know what I have. The second thing that I bought, this comes in a pack of 30. And I got these with Easter in mind. But they are just these cute little bunny beads. Okay? So, you take your pokey tool. They go on this way so that you can have good view of them in your projects. And they're just adorable. Green, blue, purple, pink seem to be the 4 colors in here. So I would say there's probably 7 or 8 of each. Okay, adorable. They're just little plastic beads. So they'll go into my bead drawers. And the last thing that I picked up is, they're a bit larger than I thought they would be, but they're still adorable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 10 pieces, and they're just these little itty bitty cups of coffee with cute little creamer designs. You have that one. You have that one. And I just thought they would be cute on dangles or whatever. Seems to have a heart theme on all of them. But I mean, we love coffee, right? So maybe we could do a coffee swap. That's what I was thinking. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, and those are the few things that I got from Temu. Again, I'm going to leave all the links to these in the description box below. And if you use my referral code for Temu, you will get $100 worth of coupons. And several other perks that I don't even know of right now. I've got to research. I'll put all of it in the description below. But yeah, that's again another one. I am an affiliate for Temu, so when you purchase using my codes, I may earn a small commission. So yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I hope that you will take a chance on the website. I will have a tutorial up on my craft room this week to show you how to navigate the Blinky website. The website's a bit easier than the phone app. It's just real Blinky. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's Slow Sunday. Take care of the plants, get some laundry done, a small haul, just a little mix of everything. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hype it if you want. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these things that I got from Temu. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon in the living room. Bye.